In this video, I'm gonna share with you how to open a demo account on MetaTrader 5 mobile app. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, install MT5. So this one, and click on it. And you will see here, add a trading account, okay? So all you have to do is click on it. And here at the search bar, you will see find broker, click on it, and type Meta. You will see here Meta Codes Ltd, click on it. And here at the top, we have open a demo account. Click on it. We have here first name. You have to add your first name, your second name, your day of birth. For example, it can be anything. Just make sure it's above 18. Okay, for example, like this. You have to add here your phone number and your email address. After that, you can keep this check if you want for hedging. And here you have the leverage. You can also change it. And we have here the deposit. As you can see, this is 100K. You can change it, for example, to, let's say, 10K. And we have here accept. You have to accept the term of service and click on register. Now click on done. And as you can see, this is your demo account. Now, if we go to chart, you will see here the charts. As you can see, this is the codes. Here you will see the currency pairs. Okay, if you want to add another currency pair that doesn't exist here, you can click on plus and you can add them from here. For example, XOYO-SD, you can click on plus like this. Let's go back. And as you can see, we have here XOYO-SD. Click on it and click on chart. And this is the gold chart. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.